Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is Faiza Ali. If you want to get more lectures, please subscribe my channel. We are studying chapter number 1, Basics of Information Technology. Welcome to my next presentation. Till now we have studied information technology, modern scenario, hardware and software, and input devices, in which we have covered keyboard, pointing devices, and source data entry devices. And then we have studied output devices, in which we have covered screens, printers, and plotters. Today we will study basic units of data storage. Basic units of data storage. Now the question is, what is storage? Storage is basically a space, or we can say that it is a memory. As we have a brain, we store everything there. Same is the case with the data. We need a space or memory where we can store data unlimitedly. So the memory is composed of an electronic circuitry, which is a combination of on and off switches. Basically, on and off switches make portions in the electronic circuit to save data. The on-off state has been conceived by the computer's manufacturers, 1 and 0, as the circuit can show 1 for on state and 0 for off state at a given time. On these numbers, the binary system is introduced. Let's discuss binary system. The alphabets, characters, and numbers are converted into binary digit that enable us to represent in the computer memory, because computer understand only binary language, that is in the form of 1 and 0. As you can see a short clip where 1 and 0 binary digits are moving. These movements show that computer understand only this language. There are 3 basic units of data storage. The number 1 is bit. Bit is a basic unit which we use to store data in the computer memory. In short, it is the combination of binary digits, and binary digits are the binary numbers, that is in the form of 1 or 0. From bit we have derived byte. Byte is a combination of 8 bits that can store a single character of data, a letter or special character. The capacity of the memory or the storage is expressed in terms of number of bytes it can hold or store. From the bit we also have derived the next unit, that is word. Word is a group of bytes that constitute a common unit of data as defined by the computer system. There are 32 bits in single word. Now let's conclude that we have derived byte and word from the basic unit of bit. Now we will discuss how we can calculate the number of bytes. According to the formula, number of bytes is equal to 2 to the power n. So in 1 byte we have 8 bits, which means 2 to the power 3. So when we multiply by 2 3 times, we got the value of 8 bits. Now we discuss the greater units. In case of kilobyte, we have a 2 to the power 10 number of bytes, or if we multiply 2 10 times, then we got the value of 1024. So we can say that 1024 bytes in 1 kilobyte. Now in the case of megabyte, we have a 2 to the power 20, and if we multiply 2 20 times, then we got the value about 1 million. In case of gigabyte, we have a value of 2 to the power 30, and when we multiply 2 30 times, we got the value of about 1 billion. And in the last we will discuss terabyte. In case of terabyte, when we calculate number of bytes, which is 2 to the power 40, and we multiply 240 times, then we got the value of about 1 trillion. So now we have enough capacity to store data. Thank you for watching my lecture. If you like my videos and tutorials, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel.